of language fair program. Today we are going to start with program with Vande Mataram. I would call to you Vande Mataram girls.
All the teachers, students, please stand for Vande Mataram. And I request the parents also.
Now a song by 9th class girls, Gayatri and Chandra.
USB storage is running out of space on that.
Good morning to everyone. Respected correspondents, teachers, parents, and my dear students. You know very well why we gathered here today, that we are going to perform the language fair program in our school, and this celebration makes us more happy. I think why? Because for the past 500 days, that is due to the Corona period, children do not have any programs in the schools and colleges, and each and every child has forgotten even minimum basics in all subjects, a bit or more. The Corona holidays impact is also more on the students as they dedicated a lot to TV programs, movies, etc. and also to mobile phone games also. Even though the government has implemented to conduct online classes, means its usability is also very less because of economical conditions of the parents, technical problems like signals, internet physical. In the month of September 2021, where offline classes were started and continued, but the children are coming to school and learning from their respected teachers in which they are learning based on such conditions and situations to create awareness and make students avoid stage fear in them. We planned this program and encouraging the students to overcome those inefficiencies. At the same time, if any student is not participated or get the opportunity to participate means, don't think that they do not have knowledge, better luck next time. అంటే ఆపర్చునిటీ రాలేదు మాకు, మేము నటించలేకపోయాం లేకపోతే పార్టిసిపేట్ చేయలేకపోయాం ఈ ప్రోగ్రామ్స్లలో అని ఏ ఒక్క విద్యార్థి కానీ లేదా వాళ్ళ తల్లిదండ్రులు కానీ వాళ్ళను డిస్కరేజ్ చేయడమో లేదంటే వాళ్ళని కించపరిచినట్టుగా అనడమో చేయొద్దండి. Better luck next time. And also I appeal to the parents, if any students make mistakes in speaking, action or in language or any grammar mistakes, don't discourage them, try to encourage them with wholeheartedly and support the management and staff to continue the programs along with the academic for overall development of the students. Thank you to one and all for giving me this opportunity to speak and stand in front of you. Once again,
On a program on language by our students to perform this, I would like to invite my first class students on the dais.
I am Kinten. I roll entire universe. I have three sons. Elder one is Mr. Past Tense. Middle one is Mr. Present Tense. And younger one is Mr. Future Tense. Now, I would like to introduce my elder son, Mr. Past Tense. Good afternoon to everyone. My name is P. Ashwardhan. I am studying in 6th class. I am the elder son of Mr. Kinten. I have 4 daughters. My first daughter is simple past tense. My second daughter is past continuous tense. My third daughter is past perfect tense. And my fourth daughter is past perfect continuous tense. Now I would like to introduce my first daughter, simple past tense. Good afternoon to all. I am the simple past tense. People use me tell that past completed action. For example, my mother cooked a delicious food. Thank you. Now I would like to invite my second daughter, past continuous tense. Good afternoon, everyone. My name is V. Gayatri. I am studying in 6th class. I am the second daughter of past tense. I am the past continuous tenses to talk about such actions in a particular time in the past. For example, I was watching TV. Thank you. Now I would like to invite my third daughter, past perfect tense. Good afternoon to all. My name is Sandhya. I am studying in 6th class. I am third daughter of past tense. People used to me my, for example, my fourth daughter past perfect continuous tense. Good afternoon to all. My name is Zaira Sare. I am studying in 6th class. I am the past perfect continuous tense. I am the fourth daughter of past tense. People used to me show that action was started in past until either in the past. For example, they have been studying since childhood. Thank you. Now I would like to introduce my middle son, Mr. Present Tense. I am the middle son. My name is Surendra Nayak. I am studying in 6th class. I am the present tense, the middle son of the Mr. Kinten. Do you know? I have 4 daughters. The first one is simple present tense. The second one is present continuous tense. The third one is present perfect tense. And the fourth one is present perfect continuous tense. Now I would like to invite my first daughter, simple present tense. Good afternoon to all. My name is Alekya. I am studying in 6th class. This is simple present. I am the first daughter of present tense. People use me this like to say universal truth and habitual action. For example, I go to school every day. Now I would like to invite my second daughter, present continuous tense.
Good afternoon to everyone. My name is Nikitana. I am studying in 6th class. I am the present continuous tense. I am the second daughter of present tense. When action is started in the past, but still going on, people use me, describe me. For example, I am writing examination. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite my third daughter, present perfect tense.
Good afternoon to all. I am the M. Erika. I am present perfect tense. I am present perfect. The daughter of present tense. It is described about just completed action. For example, I have cut my finger. It is evening now. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite my fourth daughter, present perfect continuous tense.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Praga. I am studying in 6th class. I am fourth daughter of the present tense. I am present perfect continuous tense. I also used to talk about methods and activities that we forget. For example, I have been studying since morning. Thank you.
Now I would like to invite my younger son, Mr. Future Tense.
Good afternoon to all. I am M. Rabi. I am studying 6th class. I am younger son of Mr. Kinten. I have 4 daughters. First one is simple future. Second Second one is future continuous. Third one is future perfect. Fourth one is future perfect continuous tense. Now I would like to introduce my first starter, simple future. Good afternoon to all. My name is Seema. I am studying in 6th class. I am the first order of simple future tense. People used to me tell about things that are happened. For example, my father will be dying next year. We will see him. Thank you. Now I would like to introduce my second order perfect continuous tense. Future continuous tense.
Good afternoon to all. I am A.K.P. I am studying in 6th class. I am future continuous tense. I am second order of future tense. It indicates something will happen in future for certain length of time. For example, I will be singing a song tomorrow. Thank you.
Now I would like to introduce my third order future perfect tense. Good afternoon to all. I am the third order of future perfect tense. Of the future tense, I express the action in future before another action in future. For example, I will have finished my homework. Thank you. Now I would like to introduce my fourth order future perfect continuous tense.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Tanvi Nanju. I am studying in 6th class. I am the future perfect continuous tense. I am the fourth order of future tense. I describe the action that will continue. For example, he will have been playing cricket for 10 years. Thank you. Thank all of you for giving a beautiful chant. I hope that all of you understood about my son, presence and usage in the English language. Without us, you cannot speak or write English in a proper way. Thank you.
To all, my name is Praharsha, 5th class in Noida Talent School. My school taught me to have a positive approach in every good and difficult time. The same approach we have for the deadly pandemic disease of COVID-19. I want to show how we can defeat this coronavirus by personifying it as a team. Let's begin our skit. Ha 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 ha! I am King COVID. I'm spreading like other deadly disease. Now nobody can stop me. I will rule over this world. Where is my minister? Where is my pet movie?
Oh my Lord, the most king popular. Nowadays, everyone all over the world is afraid of you. You are spreading all over the world, and I am proud to be your pet.
Oh my Lord, I am Rhino. Your area and your kingdom has started from my region. Only when some of my people have traveled other countries, your area has started spreading.
Nice, it's good.
My Lord, I am party when people are given parties and social events.
Ha ha, I can feel the music in your voice. Tell me more.
They sit together, share handshake and physical animals.
Wow.
King, I am. Achoo people. Achoo. People are not using handkerchiefs and sneezing and touching in the open air, which is later on taken by others and hence are spreading.
Wow. So it means, wow, nobody can stop me. I will rule over this whole world. Ah ha ha ha.
No COVID, you can't.
Who are you and for whose permission you came here?
I am a common man and I can defeat music in a minute.
No, you can't.
Yes, I am. I have my phone. It's me, so namaste, sanitizer and mask.
No, keep them away from me.
I am not able to see. Now you shall die.
here I am the co-vaccine. I am kill you. I can kick you out of the world. But my dear people, introduce me in your proper intervals and I can save your life. And moreover, do not be over enthusiastic that you have been vaccinated. Follow COVID norms. Regularly eat the SMS, sanitizers, mask and social distance. If you follow this, I will help you to kick this coronavirus from this world. Yes, you are right. I myself is. Yes, you are right. I myself is a mover. I am a captain which help you to control the virus. Good morning to everyone. I am Shorty of class 8 studying in Unit Direct School. Disease is defined as any impairment in the organ or organ system which result in its program performance. Diseases are of three types: deficiency disease, genetic disorder, infectious diseases. Deficiency disease are caused due to deficiency of vitamins, nutrients. Example, scurvy, beriberi, etc. It is cured by proper food intake. Genetic disorder caused due to damage of DNA by genes. It is difficult to treat them. By can be managed, it is cured when identified in early stage. Example, multiple sclerosis, diabetes, etc. Brown eye syndrome. Infectious diseases are caused by pathogens like bacteria, virus, protozoa. Example, typhoid, polio, rabies, etc. They are preventable by proper measures. They spread by 5 F's: food, fingers, formalities, flies, fecal matter. Food. Healthy and hygienic food must be taken. Food is easily contained by harmful microorganisms. Fingers or hands mostly carry microorganisms and spread diseases. Through regular hand wash, we can prevent diseases. Formalities. They are inanimate objects like pens, books, plates, and blankets, etc. They carry microorganisms and spread diseases. Proper sanitization helps in prevention of diseases through formalities. Flies. Houseflies, mosquitoes, cockroaches, etc. come under these. They act as vectors and carry all the diseases causing germs or microorganisms. Control of these flies helps in prevention of diseases. Fecal matter. Trees carry all human pathogens or diseases causing microbes. To prevent these, we need to wash hands after using toilets and avoid open defecation. That is, we must follow Swachh Bharat, Swasth Bharat. Thank you. Mathematics in daily life. It's believed that mathematics being used before man has started talking. The mathematics is divided into many branches like algebra, geometry, topology, etc. and also used in different sciences and arts we find application in maths and directly or indirectly. In every walk the India has produced many mathematicians like Srinivas Ramanujan, T.R. Rao, Aryabhatta, etc. We celebrate Mathematics Day on 22nd December every year. The birthday of Sir Srinivas Ramanujan. Let's begin our skit. Ring sound the bell rings.
Welcome, daughter.
Hi, Mom.
How was your day in school?
All periods are well, but the maths period is so boring, Mom. I cannot do it, but my madam says try. But I don't understand why to learn it. I want to be a superhero, but this maths makes me a big hero, Mom.
Don't worry.
All over another, that boy sing a song.
So easy. Math is so easy. Math is so important. Math is so easy. Math is used very well. Learn math is become smart after. Don't worry, my child.
Father is entering the room.
What is going on? What's up?
Nothing, everything is normal.
No, it's is our daughter not okay? No, it's not okay. Our daughter don't want to learn math. It's useless for her. Very good. My daughter will be fulfilled. From today, math has no place in our house.
We always wait, Father. Our family is happy family without math. Thank you, Father.
Oh God, do something else, my child.
Don't worry, I will take care. Mother, give me something to eat. I am hungry.
Wait a minute. Hurry, eat your favorite Maggie.
Yummy, yummy Maggie. Tasty, tasty Maggie. I like Maggie. Oh, Mother, you give Maggie in this much big bowl and it's so salty.
Oh, our house, no mass house, so I don't know how much food to serve you and in what proportion ingredient to be added. So forget about tasting and also sometimes food will be less and some very much. With our math, you cannot get taste food.
Oh no, I am to be hungry. Tomatoes, brinjal.
Daughter, take some vegetable.
Oh, vegetables vendor, come here please. Yes, princess. Give me some tomatoes and some brinjals. Tell me the quantity. Give me some. Tell me quantity. Our house is not my house. Give me some. Princess, I can't help.
Oh my God, Daddy lanta inte. Oh my God, Daddy lanta inte. చూడు ఎప్పుడు చూడు మ్యాథ్స్ చేయమంటారు. ఓ డాడీ, మ్యాథ్స్ ఎంతో బోరింగ్, ఇట్స్ సో టఫ్. ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ చూడు మ్యాథ్స్ వస్తుంది, నాకేమో ఏడుపు వస్తుంది. Oh my daughter, it's not so dear. It is so interesting to solve maths problems. Without maths, how do you know how much bill you have to pay for the products you bought? How can you select big or small you want? Oh my God, Daddy lanta inte. Oh my God, Daddy lanta inte. చూడు ఎప్పుడు చూడు మ్యాథ్స్ చేయమంటారు. ఓ డాడీ, మ్యాథ్స్ ఎంతో బోరింగ్, ఇట్ ఇస్ సో టఫ్. ఏ సబ్జెక్ట్ చూడు మ్యాథ్స్ వస్తుంది, నాకేమో ఏడుపు వస్తుంది. Oh my daughter, it's not so dear. Without maths, it is not possible to make paintings and music so pleasant. Without maths, it is so hard to program a computer and your video game. Oh my God, Daddy lanta inte. Oh my God, Daddy lanta inte.
Thank you all.
Our everyday life.
Smartphones makes our life easy, but let
But now, no outdoor game, no physical exercise. It's really sad. Helping people in their need is considered as more duty. Now let's see how the children are changed. Parents used to be easily pacify their children with chocolate, ice creams and candies. Let's see. Nowadays, kids grade friends directly.
Wait, all
But
these
all
kids
these
putting their phone
Get
away.
their mobile phones away.
Dude, what are grandma they are all chatting?
Now what we want to say is technology should improve, but they should not become our lives. We request all our parents to develop social disciplines and among your children and don't spoil them with your own hands by providing them these electronic gadgets. Your mind is a magnet. If you think of blessings, you attract blessings. And if you think of problems, you attract problems. Always cultivate good thoughts and pursue. Thank you.
I am Victoria of class 6 going to explain about importance of mathematics. Mathematics in the Indian subcontinent has rich history going back over 3,000 years as well as giving us the concept of zero. Indian mathematicians made several contributions to the study of trigonometry, algebra, arithmetic and negative numbers among other world. I am thankful to my motherland which gave me a rich heritage and culture and paved path to all the nations of the world in different aspects. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Jai Hind.
To speak on even on and importance of heroes. I am the Mr. My name is Mr. On.
My name is Sarkar. My name is number 1. I am free. I am free. I am from the alright. I am fine. I am fine. My name is I am 7. I am 7. 7 is my name. I am loyal. I am loyal. I am loyal in my.
Hey I am the king of evil life. My name is Mr. Evil. I am two. I am two. My name is number. Hear me right? Can you hear me right? My name is number. I am six. I am six. I am from the evil life. I am 8. I am 8. I am from the evil life. Who are you? What happened? Why are you crying?
Because I have no value. No one respects me. All members have value except me.
Don't cry. Even you have value. Our great Indian mathematician Aryabhatta invited you. He has given a lot of importance to you. In the field of mathematics, there is no value for a member of without you. Number 1. Come and stand here. On the right side of 0. Now, everybody tell me what is the number? 10. 0. You also have value. Come and stand here.
1 and 2 come here. 3 and 4 stand here. 5 and 6 come here. 7 and 8 stand here. 9, you are alone. Come and stand here. Now, these are all numbers. Now we have a new home. Now we have a new home. Now we have a new home. Thank you.
Let me invite them onto the dialogue.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Yamate. I am studying 7th class. Today's topic is social media. Today in a modern society with all new technological developments that we can be proud, we are moving a list of superpower nations. Yet we have others say to feel sad. Our performers are ready to enact a meaningful drama on the impact of social media. All the youngsters wake up in the morning at the tiny blue screen, at the slowly sleepy hands of young adults through the variety of thoughts, tweets, pictures and videos. Those they know who sweet my post at 75 likes. What? How can he get over 100 likes for posting his dinner? Social media is a way to connect with the people and share our opinions on news, events occurring on the world. Some of the most popular social networking sites are Facebook, Instagram, Reddit, Tinder, YouTube, etc. The list is goes on. Get set to be ready on the impact of social media on the youngsters and the consequence. Now Facebook.
My name is S. Kaveri. I am studying in 7th class. I am telling about Facebook. Ha ha ha. I am an American online
social media and social networking. Sign in the world and one of the most widely used recently of my users by allowing third parties to access over 87 million users. Personal data, this has a create of it engaged the users. Platform wanting so much. Now there is a delete Facebook campaign where the people are completely removing themselves from me, but I shall carry on my missions of attracting my duties. Ha ha ha. Thank you.
Hello, good afternoon. My name is C. Sri Venkat. I am studying 7th class. I am telling about WhatsApp. WhatsApp was founded by Jacob and Ibrahim Akhtar, who had previously spent 20 years command at Yahoo. WhatsApp joined Facebook in 2014, but continues to operate separate app with a laser focus building messaging that works fast and reliably anywhere in the world. WhatsApp uses internet to send messages that works fast and reliably. WhatsApp uses images to send messages, images, audio or video. The service is very similar to text messaging. However, because WhatsApp using internet to send messaging, WhatsApp is significantly less than texting. Thank you.
Now is Saurabh.
Good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon everyone. I am a Pawan Kumar. I will say about the Instagram. I was launched as a unique social network platform that is completely based on sharing photos and videos. You can easily post your photos and videos. There is a possibility of image theft and the previous of images is correction, not individual. I have because addition for my user. They cannot live without me. Thank you.
Now again Facebook.
Whatever crisis and record time I applicated, today I invite to this chat room to give you a wish to see that you will never ever forget. You are all educated survey master. Mark this, what my friends, one day the virtual day. Well dance to my dance, but now let's sign out. Thank you.
Now YouTube.
YouTube being one of the mainstream social media platforms allows users to share their videos online, creating their channels. YouTube also became a place or tool. YouTube was originally founded in 2005 by Chadurli, Steve Chen and Jawad Karlim, who were all farmers and employees.
Not with that.
Hi, good afternoon to all. My name is Ina. I am telling about Twitter. Twitter is a free social networking microblogger service that allows registered members to broadcast, start, post, call it. Twitter members can broadcast and follow other users, which by using multiple platforms and devices. Twitter is about discovering interesting people around in the world. It can also be a building of following people, those followers with some knowledge value every day.
Now Google.
Hi, good afternoon to all. My name is M. Srinidhi. I am Google. I am an American multinational technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products, which include online advertising technology company that specializes in internet-related services and products which include online advertising technology, search engine, code, computing software and hardware. But if you accidentally closed me, I will close all the tabs without any warning.
Now benefits of by using mobile phone.
Hi, good afternoon to all. My name is Kizra Begum. I am studying 7th class. I am telling about mobile benefits. Keeps us connected. Now we can connect to your friends, relatives anytime we want through many apps. Now we can talk, video, chat with whoever we want by just appointing mobile phones or smartphones. Appoint with others, update booking, weather updates, whoever. day-to-day communicated. Today mobile phones has made our lives so easily daily lives active. Today one can access the live traffic situations on mobile, take appropriate decisions, mobile reach on time, along with weather updates, booking cabs and many more. Entertainment for all. With the importance of technology, the whole world is known under one roof. Whenever we get breaks, routine works, or during the breaks, we can listen to music, watch movie, your favorites one song. Thank you.
Our disadvantages of by using mobile phone.
Good afternoon to all. My name is Nagat. My studying is 7th B section. We are having lot of disadvantages for this social media. Among them, I am explained how we lead, lack of emotional connection, decreased face-to-face connection, skills conveyed in attack, explain how we live. This misunderstanding and truthfulness, facilities, laziness, reduce family goodness, clever discussion. Thank you.
So if you or your children are worried about using social networking sites, don't just keep your software update, double check information for your belief, and it keeps privacy updated. It gets access to your life. Thank you. That was a fantastic nice fun piece of all the wonderful actors of the school. Thank you friends for the focusing on the drawbacks and strategies. This all overcome the evil effects of social media. Thank you. Our picture are as beautiful as Facebook DP, so don't get lost in social media. Being by Harshita of 10th class.
Good afternoon to correspondent sir, headmaster sir, and respected teachers and my dear friends and their parents. Let me talk about topic what makes a good student to a great student. First of all, I would like to tell what is the difference between good student and a great student. Good student is the one who follows a defined path very well. If you show them a path, they will follow it wisely without questioning. They are afraid of failing. They want to play it safe. A great student is the one who creates his own path. They will question everything you tell them to do. They will not listen to you blindly. They are ready to take risks by doing something unconventional. Now to become a great student, you must have a huge desire and passion to learn and explore something new. Many of us fail because we are satisfied with good. To select a dress, we search in many shops, but we get satisfied with some small achievements because we are lazy to do work hard and do research, which prevent us from becoming great. We should never be afraid of doing hard work. Hard work, learn to study the right way. When we are pursuing our goals, we should not look for the appreciation of other people. We must care more about how satisfied we are with the work we have done. Be interested in your life. A stitch in time save 9. A bird in hand worth 2 in the bush. Anytime a self-defining thought, replace it with a positive thought. Sit down and good talk with yourself. Set your goals. Your mind is a liar. It tells you you are tired when you are not. It tells you to quit when you have much more to give. When you don't like doing something like reading or taking notes, keep telling yourself I like reading or I like taking notes. It will eventually enter your subconscious mind and you will like it. A great personalities never care about small things such as physical appearance and what other people think about us. Free your mind so that it can think something great and feasible path to achieve success. Remind yourself every morning that I am extraordinary, I am enough and I can do all things. Don't read negative news. You are a gatekeeper to your mind. Only allow positivity into it. You cannot live a positive life by feeding your supercomputer of brain negativity. It is very easy to select between good and bad, but it is difficult to select among two good
Good afternoon. My name is P. Pawan. We are students of 7th class. Welcome you to our school language day. Today we are explaining about traffic rules. I am red light. Prohibits any traffic from proceeding. If passing identification requires traffic, you stop and then proceed when safe. Now yellow light. I am yellow light. I want the signal. He is about to change it to red. Now green light.
I am the green light. Proceed without stopping. You must not take over. It with limits. Now zebra crossing.
I am the zebra crossing. A zebra crossing marked with alternate black and white strips on the road and zigzag lights on both sides. The zigzag lights warn drivers that they may be pedestrians crossing or waiting to cross the road. They also tell drivers that they must give way to pedestrians on the crossing. What is a zebra crossing? A zebra crossing is a type of pedestrian crossing or crosswalk used in certain places around the world. It gives distinguishing characteristic in that they give priority to pedestrians in that of motorists obligated to stop when someone is indicated their intent to cross violating by the crossing. Thank you. Now footpath.
I am here footpath. A footpath also pedestrians may walk, trail, nature trail is a type of roadway that is intended for use only by pedestrians and not other form of traffic such as motorized vehicles, cycles and horses. Urban footpaths are usually paved, may have steps and can be called line steps, etc. Now road divider.
I am road divider. Road divider is generally used for dividing the road for ongoing and incoming traffic. This helps keeping the flow of traffic. Generally, there is equal number of lines for both ongoing and incoming traffic. The other side of road divider is mostly either empty or underutilized. Now helmet.
Using a helmet helps to reduce the impact of land accident on your head. While riding your two-wheeler, it is very likely that if you are not involved in an accident, then the resulting injury can be fatal if you are not wearing a helmet.
Every year we celebrate road safety week from January 11 to January 17 in our India. This is improved to our nation road safety rules among the people and as well as children.
Start early driving college is better life than never. Thank you. Start early, drive slowly, reach safely, better late than never. Accident brings fear, safety brings safe. Safety is as simple as ABC. Always be careful. Don't fool yourself. Avoid wrong side driving. Road safety. Don't lose your head to gain a minute. You need your head. Your brain are in need. Zebra crossing is for pedestrians only. Respect pedestrians. Stop before stop line. Thank you. Thank you.
Now a song by Science and Kirti of 9th class.
दिया मेरे भारत ने दुनिया का तब आई तारों की भाषा भारत ने दुनिया को पहले सिखलाई।
ताना दशमलव भारत तो ये चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था, चांद पे जाना मुश्किल था। धरती और चांद की दूरी का अंदाजा लगाना मुश्किल था। अपना भारत वो भारत है जिसके पीछे संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा, संसार चला और आगे बढ़ा, यूं आगे बढ़ा बढ़ता ही गया। भगवान करे और बड़े बढ़ता ही रहे और फूले है भी जहाँ की रीत सदा, है भी जहाँ की रीत सदा। मैं भी वहाँ की गाती हूँ, भारत की रहने वाली, भारत की बात सुनाती हूँ। काले गोरे का भेद नहीं, हर दिल से हमारा नाता। कुछ और ना आता हो हमको, हमें प्यार निभाना आता। जिसे मार चुकी सारी दुनिया, जिसे मार चुकी सारी दुनिया, मैं एक बात वही दोहराती हूँ। भारत की यही रहने वाली हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाती हूँ। इतनी ममता नदियों को भी जहाँ बात कहानी बुलाते हैं, इतना हर इंसान को क्या पत्थर भी पूछे जाते हैं। उस धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया, उस धरती पे मैंने जन्म लिया। भारत की रहने वाली हूँ, भारत की बात सुनाती हूँ। थैंक यू।
My name is Lasya Priya. I am studying in 7th class. Today we are going to explain about vitamins. We in our body are having two types of vitamins: fat soluble vitamins, water soluble vitamins. Fat soluble vitamins are stored in the body cells and are not excreted as easily as water soluble vitamins. They do not need to be consumed as often as water soluble vitamins, although adequate amounts are needed. If you take too much of a fat soluble vitamin, it could become toxic. Your body is especially sensitive to too much vitamin A from animal sources, rational and too much vitamin D. A balanced diet usually provides enough fat soluble vitamins. Now we are going to give a detailed information regarding fat soluble vitamins.
I am vitamin A. Vitamin A and its precursor beta carotene. A precursor is converted by the body to the vitamin A. My functions are needed for vision, healthy skin and focus, balance, bone and immune system health. I am available in vitamin A from animal sources: retinol, fortified milk, cheese, cream, butter, fortified margarine, eggs, liver, beta carotene from plant sources, leafy dark green vegetables, carrots, winter squash, pumpkin, sweet potatoes. Deficiency, loss of vision, blindness.
I am vitamin D. My functions are needed for proper absorption of calcium stored in bones. I am available in egg yolks, liver, fatty fish, fortified milk, fortified margarine. When exposed to sunlight, the skin makes vitamin D deficiency, weakness of bones near joints, rickets.
I am vitamin E. My functions are protein cell walls. I am available in polyunsaturated plant oil, soya bean, corn, cotton seeds, safflower, leafy green vegetables, wheat germ, whole grain products, liver, egg yolks, nuts and seeds. Deficiency, faster depletion of RBCs from the body.
I am vitamin K. My functions are needed for proper blood clotting. I am available in leafy greens vegetables such as kale, collard greens and spinach, greens vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts and asparagus. Also produce intestinal tract by bacteria. Deficiency, phyloquinone, regular and slow blood bleeding and clotting. Now we are going to
about riboflavin, vitamin B2. My functions are part of an enzyme needed for energy metabolism, important for normal vision and skin health. I am available in milk and milk products, leafy green vegetables, whole green enriched bread and cereal, deficiency food diet and mouth sources. I am niacin vitamin B3. My functions are part of enzyme needed for energy metabolism, important for normal system, digestive system and skin health. I am available in meat, poultry, fish, white grain or enriched bread and cereals, vegetables, especially mushroom, asparagus and leafy green vegetables, peanut butter, deficiency, ahara and nutrients. Hi, good afternoon to all. My name is Naresh. I am studying in 7th class. I am pantothenic acid. My functions are part of enzyme needed for energy metabolism. I am available in widespread in food. Vitamin B and pantothenic acid systemic attacks and multiple calories affect brain paresthesia. I am thyroid and vitamin B6. My function are part of an enzyme needed for protein metabolism. It makes red blood cells. I am available in meat, fish, poultry, vegetables, fruits. Low number or lack of red blood cells, anemia. Good afternoon to all. My name is K. Shivachan. I am studying in 7th class. I am biotin. My function is part of an enzyme needed for energy metabolism. I am available in waste spread in food, also produced in intestinal tract by bacteria, deficiency, red and itchy skin.
Hi, good afternoon to all. I am cobalamin vitamin B12. I am present in egg and milk. I am folic acid. My functions are part of an enzyme needed for making DNA. I am useless, especially red cells. I am available leafy green vegetable and legumes, orange juice and liverna added to moisture refined bread. Immature RBC in the bone marrow, megaloblastic and men. I am ascorbic acid. My function are antioxidant, part of an enzyme needed for protein metabolism, important for immune system. Health acid in iron absorption. I am available in fruits and vegetables, basically citrus fruit vegetables in the cabbage family, cantaloupe, strawberries, peppers, tomatoes, potatoes, lettuce, mangoes, kiwi fruit.
So friends, we are all vitamins which help you to grow your body health and develop your immune system. Thanks for watching.
And its masters are my dear friends and their parents. Today we are going to discuss what makes good student to great. First of all, let us discuss good student qualities. The first quality of good student to respect each and every person of the society and accept the instructions from parents and teachers. A good student learns anything from anyone for his studies. He maintains neat dress and understand, etc. A good student is very fine connected to nature and he actively participates in social work programs like plantation, clean and etc. Above all are few qualities of good student. If a student repeats above qualities again and again, he will become a great student. Literally, so many examples are there. One of the greatest cosmologists who is born on today, that means January 8, 1942 in England, showed a great passion for science and sky and gives some of important information to us. He is none other than Stephen William Hawking. He did all the experiments on sitting with God wheelchair at the age of 21. He was diagnosed with ALS, a form of motor neuron disease. He proved that disability is not an obstacle to success. Mahatma Gandhi, who followed the truth from his childhood, is the reason why he is known as father of the nation. Hardworking is a nature and master of reading qualities of our Vice President. M. Venkaiah Naidu becomes so great. Success starts with your thoughts. Whatever your mind can conceive and believe, it can achieve if you have the power to shape your thoughts. Then you have the power to patient your fate and decide your destiny. The first work is to become good student to great is to avoid laziness. Laziness, avoid doing many bad things, but it also doing many great things. So when you want to do anything which you feel bad, tell yourself I am lazy. While you are not getting time to do something important, tell yourself I am very active. Then your mind will find some or the other time to do that work. There are many big animals like giraffe is the tallest, elephant is the biggest, cheetah is the fastest, but none of these are king of jungles. Lion does not have any of the above qualities. It is the king. First set your brain with right attitude, then rest is taken by itself. Last mantra is if you want to become success, you double your failure. Thank you for giving this golden opportunity.
Correspondent sir, headmaster sir, respected teachers and my dear friends and their parents. A good student must have a huge desire and passion to learn and explore something new. Everything would indeed seem very easy and enjoyable if we think of school as a place for discovering ourselves as person, not as frustrating place where we are always pressured by a tremendous amount of work. Furthermore, a good student must be punctual, organized, and know how to develop self-discipline. For instance, he or she must always come to class and the assignments and projects on time. Developing a good time management and self-discipline is in fact a part of professional development for students and directly related to their success. In addition, a good student must be active and be polite. A good student would actively participate in the class discussion. And would not hesitate to ask questions to his or her teachers. In addition, a good student would also always listen to the teachers and never interrupt when the teachers are talking or explaining something. Other aspects of a good student are honesty and consistency. A good student should be academically honest in all respects of their school work. For example, he or she would never cheat our tests or present the work done by others as if it is made his or her own. Lastly, consistency is very critical in the process of learning since it helps students to achieve their academic goals. Characteristics of a good student. A good student has a growth mindset. A good student is brave. A student is organized. A good student is consistent and persistent. A good student is able to deal with failure. A good student sets goals. A good student is able to conduct learning of life. Self-discipline and time management are also important factors being a good student. If a student can do all this, then he or she will become a great student. Secure mind rest is taken care by itself. Thank you.
My 7th class.
I am studying in 7th class. Once there was an old man living with his son daughter. Once there was an old man living with his son, daughter-in-law and children. The entire family always used to have dinner together at the dining table every night. The old man was very big. He was about 90 years old. His hands trembled and vision was low. Every day during the time of eating, he scattered his food on the table. Sometimes he spelled curry.
My name is Saiti. My character is grandmother.
My name is Raisha.
My character name is Mom.
My name is Abhinandu. My character name
Oh my dear daughter, please give me some snacks for all. Okay, ma'am. Okay, done. Grandfather slipped the glass broken into pieces.
Oh my God, I've been wrenching everyone, broken all pieces.
Oh Dad, you are so unlucky and complete. Please don't treat that life for me.
Oh my son, we are your parents. We love so much. Do you also respect me?
At evening. Children come back to home.
At evening, mom preparing something good. Wow, sweet smell. Ring, 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 ring. Mom, I am home. Me too.
Wow, how children so much for this school.
Good, mom.
Risha, both of you, I will get your investment.
Okay, mom.
Finish your homework first.
Mom, I will do later.
No, my dear, do it right now.
Mom, today not have homework, mom.
Now dinner time. Come for dinner, all of you.
What do you learn in the school today? Today we have learned some interesting topic in my subject then. Wow, what is that? Foreigners are not our ordinary sailors, they are the most respectable in our mind. And help them.
Wow, very good. I am surprised.
They give us the knowledge about what is a wrong and what is a right. We must always respect others, respecting our elders. We should take honesty, integrity in every one of us. We should some time with them. I will not anymore fighting, speak, broken play. Now onwards I will respect elders.
Wow, very good. I am glad. You have been lived good manner.
Yes, my son, in our age, due to everyone condition, we rejected our parents.
From today onwards, we are going to treat our elders in a proper way.
Okay, ma'am, don't treat our elders that we give respect.
Thank you for watching our film. We hope you enjoyed. We also request you to treat your elders in a proper way.
That means a man responsibility.
Take an advice from them because they give you the best. We should care of our elders. We should help them sometime in their work.
We should respect our elders. We should speak politely to them. We should spend some more time with them. Old age homes are meaning for needy but for Thank you.
Correspondents are, headmasters are, respected teachers and my dear friends, everyone receives education, but all the students be attributed as good students. The students are seen by the teachers as well as other staff members on the basis of different aspects. In general, a good student is someone who respects everyone, follows the rules, and is eager to learn. In order to succeed in life, an individual must be a good student. A good student may not be a topper with high IQ level. On the contrary, a good student is someone who is endowed with abundant quality, personality traits, and essential skills that discipline is a must in a student's life. This quality helps them in handling their tasks, maintaining regularity in work, and in managing their time well. Before a student should be determined to work studies or any work available to him. He should be ready to work hard in order to achieve his next job objective. This is one quality that gives the student consistence and diligence. Control time is money, so every student must value time. It is not an easy job to become punctuality, but those who can hold on these traits and successful in their life, being in the class on time and doing homework and other activities on time helps the students of saving their time and invest it into something productive. Quality of showing respect to teachers, to staff, seniors and fellow students in a sign of their good student. In fact, the students stand out as humble and cautious individuals. They are respected and loved by all. Thank you for all school teachers and parents and my dear friends.
All the parents for watching the program, and still there are some rooms which are arranged by our students. Please kindly visit the rooms, and some charts of date they are going to explain. అక్కడ కొన్ని రూమ్స్లలో కూడా ఎగ్జిబిట్స్ ఉన్నాయి, ఒకసారి వాటిని కూడా తిలకి అట్లా కొంతమంది పిల్లలు కూడా వాటిని గోడల మీద ఉన్నటువంటి చార్ట్స్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తారు. అట్లాగే సమ్ నర్సరీ, ఎల్కేజీ, యూకేజీ పిల్లల రూమ్స్ కూడా అరేంజ్ చేశారు. రెడ్ రూమ్, గ్రీన్ రూమ్ అండ్ ఎల్లో రూమ్ అని. అవన్నీ కూడా మీరు తిలకించి ఒకసారి వాళ్ళని ఎంకరేజ్ చేసి వెళ్ళాల్సిందిగా కోరుతున్నాం. ప్లీజ్ విజిట్ ద రూమ్స్.
Headmaster Darga sir, respected teachers and my dear friends and their parents. A good student is one who doesn't waste his time. He performs his duty honestly. He is neat and clean. He should have good habits. He should possess a good moral character. He is obedient and hardworking. He is not a bookworm. He takes part in games. A good student isn't selfish. He helps others. He is loved by his teachers and class fellows. A good student knows his responsibilities well. He avoids his bad companies. He always good positions in examination. He never tells a lies. He is sympathetic and kind-hearted. He respects the elders and love youngers. He is always smiling. I can tell you, I am going to make my dreams become a reality, and it starts right here with my studying. The work ethic and discipline that I practice will carry me not only through university but through the rest of my life. I don't care how much I have to invest, how much time I have to invest, how many hundreds I have to jump through. I am going to continue doing this until I am successfully. I love how Eric Farmer talks about his shows of rules. He says, you can pretend that you appear, but you can't pretend that you are there. The only way you can show that you care is if you show up, and what I am asking you to do for me. I do show up every single day. It's easy to miss a class one Monday on morning when I am feeling tired. The problem is you will miss the one class and won't will get with it. Then you will miss another class and then another and then another. It's human nature. If we continue to get it away with it and gain instant short-term certification from it, then we keep undoing it, and it's an easy trap to fall it into the. That's why it's so important to not miss even one class, because it can quickly snowball into something more dangerous. And it's funny because the more obsessed you get with your studying, the louder the hostel will get, the more they will try to drag down and pull you back down to their level. And when I saw obsession, don't get wrong, your health and well-being should always be put first. That's the difference between people that are good and people that are great. The good are position, the great are obsessed. Obsession is a necessity, but in order to make the change, if you are disappointed with your grades, what could you have done differently? Did you really study to your full potential? Did you really to practice to all when you are reversing? And when you look deep with you deal with every day, you deal with it every single day of our life. I promise, as well as I put in math, so I will locate an extra 1 hour a day towards that, and that's when growth happens, that when life really begins. Thank you for school, teacher, parents and friends for making my life so beautiful. Thank you.